Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. I hope you all are fine. Please open page number 41. Previously we have completed our chapter number 3's reading, explanation, short question answer and correct options. Now we start our lecture from question number 3. Answer the following questions in detail. आपको 5 questions given हैं जिनके answers देने हैं आप लोगों ने डिटेल में. Question number 1 is discuss the different climatic regions of Pakistan. इसका आंसर में आप लोगों ने पहले फर्स्ट लाइन ऐड करनी है. इन पाकिस्तान क्लाइमेट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. पाकिस्तान में बी डिवाइडेड इनटू द फॉलोइंग 4 रीजन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से पाकिस्तान को 4 खित्तों में डिवाइड किया गया है. ये लाइन ऐड करने के बाद आप लोग आ जाओ पेज नंबर 34 पे. उसके बाद आप लोग ने फर्स्ट हेडिंग ऐड करनी है माउंटेनियस एरियाज. इसमें जो आप लोग लिखोगे वो पॉइंट्स में लिखोगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है आपका These regions consist of the north and the northwestern mountainous areas. Second point is this region has a very harsh winter and the temperature falls below the freezing point. Third point is in this area the winter season remains from 6 to 8 months. Fourth point is on the other hand summers of this region are very pleasant. Second heading is the upper Indus plain. First point is below the northern mountainous areas is the upper Indus plain. Second point, in this area the summer is very hot. Third point, the months of May, June and the first week of July are very hot because in this period there is no rainfall. However, the climate here becomes pleasant when rain falls in July. Fourth point is the winter season of the upper Indus plains is very pleasant. Third heading is the plateau of Balochistan and the third desert. First point है इसका in summer the temperature of the plateau of Balochistan and the third desert rises. Second point, most of the mountainous regions of Balochistan are dry and hot. Third point, the winter season is very severe in Balochistan and sometimes snow falls in certain parts. Last heading is the coastal areas and the lower Indus Valley. इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट है the temperature of the coastal areas does not rise due to sea breeze. Second point, in this region the rain does not fall. However, due to the sea breeze, humidity is found in the air. Third point, sea breeze keeps the climate pleasant. Fourth point, there is not much difference in temperature during different months in this region. यहाँ तक आप लोगों का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट द लाइव्स ऑफ द पीपल. इसका आंसर है आपका बुक पे नहीं मिलेगा, इसके लिए आप लोग को मैं यहाँ से लिखवाऊंगी. क्लाइमेट हैज़ एन इफेक्ट ऑन द पीपल एंड ऑन देयर वे ऑफ लिविंग. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, climate also has an effect on our clothing and food. Example, loose dresses are popular in regions where the climate is hot. In colder regions, people wear dresses that are body hugging. Woolen cloths are worn in cold regions while cotton clothing is worn in hot and temperate regions. People in cold areas use hot drinks like tea, coffee, soup or kahwa, while in hot regions cold drinks, juices and water is mainly consumed. Second point, climate also has an effect on the construction of our houses. Example, in areas of heavy rainfall the houses have sloping roofs. In cold regions partition walls are made of wood to contain heat. In regions of high temperature there are open